We have 1-inch stone. It's like 3/4 inch to 1 inch. Now, if you do not use any fabric at all, you got to use pea stone. One of the things that I see people doing wrong all the time, they say, oh, I don't want to use fabric because maybe I seen a video that was put up by somebody who was not educated in how to use it, and they didn't get the results they were hoping for. You decide to not use the fabric, you can't go with stone like this. See the voids? You see all the shadows? See all the big voids? This inch, like this, like 3/4 inch stone. It's really nice rock. We get really good drainage with it. Well, you can't use stone like this. You have to use pea stone. You have to use pea stone if you don't have any fabric. So just a small little pea stone, like that's all you could use. All of it has to be tiny and small because you have to build a stone filter zone if you're not going to use a fabric. There's so many channels on YouTube showing guys that won't use the fabric, and then they're putting 3/4 stone or 1-inch stone, and sometimes even bigger, in a trench. You know, they're preaching about, oh, buy number 57 stone, and then they're not using the fabric. Well, guess what? They gave that French drain an expiration date at the time of install. If you're not going to use the fabric, you have to use pea stone. There's no question about it. It's beyond common sense. I've tore out systems that were both good and bad over the years. I've seen systems that were put in the 1950s, 1960s. I've seen tile lines with pea stone and no fabric, and they're fine. So if you're not going to use the fabric, you have to use pea stone. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.